In this video, you'll learn how to allow image uploads and comments. Allowing image uploads enables commenters to express themselves more effectively. They can use images to illustrate their points, share relevant visual content, or add a personal touch to their comments. To do so, log into your WordPress admin dashboard, hover over Plugins, and click on Add New. Simply search for the DCO comment attachment. This is the plugin that we're looking for. So simply click on Install Now, and you can see the plugin is very highly rated. Once installed, click on Activate. To configure the plugin, click on the Settings link over here. You can see various settings here that the plugin offers. You can set the maximum upload file size. You can keep it enabled. You can uncheck the boxes beside file types as per your need, and you can configure all the settings on your own. Once everything's in place, you can simply save the settings. Now, let's check the plugin in action. Moving to the comment section, you can see users can upload images here. Users can upload images, audio, video, documents, etc. for now. You can change these settings as well as per your requirements. And this is how easy it is to allow image uploads and comments. Now, if you also want to learn how to disable HTML comments in WordPress, then we have a video where you can learn that as well. I'll link the video in the description below, or you can click on the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen to view the video. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.